what happened inside. The wiper motor, you can see here big water damage, and here also all water damage. I ordered the new motor basically all around this area. Hopefully this silicone going to sort out the problem. And here welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie from Sanumotors. Today I got 2006 Renault Clio. Basically what happened, this wiper when the power come just slightly up like this, just wiggling, not working. Then however I left wiper arm halfway there, and this is the motor side. I remove this arm from here, just put the flyer and disconnect from there. After that I remove the whole motor, because this motor I changed 8-9 months ago. Then the again same problem. Then I'll remove it and I'll open here, basically remove from the clip, lift up this one. You can see inside all corrosion. I got another video, it's already clean here. Have a look this video clip, you can find out what happened inside. The wiper motor, you can see here big water damage, and here also all water damage. I ordered the new motor, basically all water going in from here and there. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add silicone around this area. First I'm going to install this one and add the silicone, and after that I'm going to reinstall. First of all, before I install, because of rust here, I don't know inside what's the electrical condition. However, I connected to the plug and have a look this motor going to be work or not. I'm going to plug in and have a look. Is this one spinning? Yeah, you saw its work. Then again I'm going to disconnect from here, and I'm going to remove these 3 screws and install here, here and there, and need to remove this connector also well. Right, it's out. Right, it's out. After that I need to remove these 3 screws. This is T30. Install here. But actually it's come with the new screws. I'm going to use new one. tiny tie. Going to install here. Basically I can't use new screws because it's shorter. You can see this one long, this one very short. Because of that I'm going to use all 2 screws. After that I need to install this connector. Right, now all installed. After that I'm going to apply silicone surround this area. Hopefully this silicone going to sort out the problem. Never know, just a try. And surround this area also well. Look not nice. Hopefully if we do the job we can save a lot of money. Right, done the silicone. Now I'm going to connect electrical connector. Right, it's clicked. Need to install this one first. Now I'm going to clip in. Right, nice and in. After that we need to install this rubber bun here. Push in. Right, now need to, right, it's in. Now 2 screws here and there. Right, nice and tight. Then after that I'm going to install this cover here. This old clip need to go underneath here. Just press in like this, and also you can see this tube, because this one also not good. Normally it's need to go through here inside, whatever. When you put it new tubes, it's going to be bend here, see, and bend here. Basically water not coming through that. Because of that I'm going to remove here, bottom. Okay, then I'm bring it here, make a hole here, make a hole here, take it out and connect here, then after that it won't going to bend, because here bend we need to cut from here and here. After that we need to install this plastic cover. One clip here and another clip inside here. Now it's in. After that we can install this cover. I done the small amendment here also. I take a pipe from here. Early you notice it's bent somewhere here and there, then I make a hole and take out from there, because this design not good. Now we need to install wiper arm. Before that I'm going to ignition on, active the wiper, leave it until stop. Once it stop we can install the wiper arm. I'm going to activate. You can see it spinning. Leave it until stop. Right, it stop. I'm going to install wiper arm. Long arm going to the passenger side. Short arm going to the driver side. Always follow the old line here, then it's very easy. Old line I can see here. Leave it like this and press in. Right, both in now. Install the nut, all 16 mil. Just do the hand tight. Right, now I'm going to activate the wiper and have a look. I'm going to check the wipers now and see both coming half away. Need to lift up more. You can see the wiper just come to here. Basically it need to come until here. I need to lift up little bit from bottom. Basically need to bring it here. This one also bit more up. Leave it like that and just hand tight. Yeah, now I am happy, working fine. I'm going to install this beading. Right, I'm going to close the bonnet and one more time have a look what's going on there. Before that I'm tightening fully. Right, right. Make sure when you do the job install this cap, because if it water going and corrosion inside, you won't able to open the nut. Be careful. Right, one more time final checking. Right, its work as should be. I am happy with the job. To have a Renault Clio like this car 2006, 7, 8, 9 until 12 could be this is the problem. Check your wiper motor, have a look. If it rust, corrosion, water damage, you need to follow this step. Now you know what to do. Please subscribe and follow my channels. You can get a lot of useful tips and video like this. See you with the next video.